Okay, ma'am? But I don't have any feelings on you. That means you are my favorite student, you are not a favorite student. Okay, that kind of the things and thoughts I don't have it, because I want to see all people are equal to me. Okay, ma'am? So I don't want to give any special priorities to anyone. Okay, equal priorities, equal shoutings, equal kiddings, jokes, everything. Okay, ma'am? So that's the reason all whatever it was happened for your subject purpose I did that. And I think you all of you know that I'm very friendly nature. But in classroom, what I want to do, there are 400, 500, 600 people. If I want to manage means, it's not a simple thing. Yes or no? But in front of 300-400 people, we need to stand and explain subject and control the students, whether students are understanding or not. All we want to calculate now, as a trainer or faculty, it's a very headache. In that cases, sometimes we are shouting on you, okay? But that is not what you call it. There is no any reason. Only the reason is subject to understand. Okay, now? Right, yes. And finally, all the best. Okay, now? So, and as soon as possible, all of you try and get a job, and you should be there in good position in your life. Okay, now? And finally, one thing I can say this: wherever you go, either you will be reaching some heights. Okay, you are earning lakhs of rupees. Okay, these are all in life is a part of that. Yes or no? But one thing, don't forget it. Either you will enter into another new life also. Okay, in your like a marriage life, someone is coming into our family, new members, whatever it was there, girl or boy, whatever it was, but don't forget your parents. Okay, father and mother. Okay, these are the very, very precious and valueless. Okay, now there is uncountable love and affection of these two people. Wherever you go, you can earn the crores of money, you will be top in the position, but don't forget your parents. That is your responsibility as a daughter, as a son. Okay, and of course, you people are not having, because you are going to some other house. Maybe you are missing, but you people. So that's why don't send it here. It is old English. Yeah, some children are sending their parents certain time. They're sending to what now? Old illness or something is there. Don't do like this. Either good or bad. Always keep your parents with you. Okay, now? If your wife is not supported, now slap her. Immediately slap her. Hey, what are you? Now I am there in this position is because of my parents. And you also, if your husband is talking something bad about your parents, now slap him. Nothing problem. There's so many cases. Okay, so many supporting is there, C teams are there, so many constitutional rules are there for girls, so many laws are there. Slap him, nothing problem. It's good, bad, slap him. Okay? You also, but we're so Muslim. Because unnecessary don't slap her. If you are unnecessary slapping her, case, human rights. That's what, okay, just kidding is all. Anyway, understand that? So parents are very important, and whatever you want to achieve, that was nothing in front of parents. Okay, now? Thank you so much.